Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen space. In today's video, we're unveiling the 20 most game-changing tips to transform your cooking haven. Stay tuned for expert insights and practical solutions that'll leave you inspired and ready to design your dream kitchen. Have you ever realized that some kitchens are very easy and functional in terms of their usage, while some are not so well designed? Kitchen practicality and functionality have little to do with the aesthetics of the interior and everything to do with how well it has been designed for utilization. Hey everyone, and welcome back to HD Interiors, where we dive into all things home improvement and design. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for every homeowner: kitchen design. We'll be highlighting 20 common challenges and mistakes you'll want to steer clear of to create the kitchen of your dreams. Let's get started. These days, modern kitchens require modular equipment and flawless design so that you can use the kitchen 100% with ease. Nonetheless, many kitchens fail to meet these standards and end up being designed poorly. If you're wondering how to avoid some of the worst mistakes while designing your dream kitchen, you've come to the right place. Here's a look at the top factors to consider when planning your new kitchen or undergoing a kitchen renovation, and the top mistakes you should avoid so you can have a highly functional space. Factors to consider while designing a kitchen. When designing kitchens, it's essential to get the design and the functionality correct, but this can be tricky. If you want to make your kitchen both visually appealing as well as a great place to prepare food, here are the top factors to consider. Layout. Before beginning with the design, create a proper layout for your kitchen. You can commission an interior designer or consult with a furniture brand to create a proper kitchen layout. This helps you identify each aspect of your kitchen, where each appliance or piece goes, and will allow you to construct seamlessly. Every kitchen must have proper ventilation to ensure proper air circulation. Storage. Kitchens require enough storage, not just for the food, but also the cutlery, crockery, pots, and pans, as well as appliances. Depending on which appliances you want in your kitchen, account for adequate kitchen storage in your layout. Kitchen storage also includes having cabinetry, be it wall cabinets or shelves, where you can easily keep things. Remember, try to avoid clutter as much as possible by stowing away items when not in use. Flooring. Kitchens need to have proper open plans when it comes to flooring and design. Typically, people opt for lighter flooring, which gives the overall kitchen a more airy feel and space. Lighter floors also help people identify spills and messes on the floor quickly. Lighting. Good lighting helps to create an excellent ambience within the kitchen. Good lighting also facilitates easier cooking. Top 20 challenges and mistakes in kitchen design. Alright, let's dive right into it, starting with challenge number 1, insufficient counter space. This is a common headache for many homeowners, and we're going to show you how to overcome it. Let's go! Our first challenge is one that plagues kitchens: big and small, insufficient counter space. It's like trying to juggle multiple pots and pans while walking on a tightrope. It's just not practical. Having enough counter space is crucial for meal prep, cooking, and even just setting down groceries. Without it, your kitchen can quickly become a chaotic mess. But don't worry, we've got solutions to make the most out of your available space. Consider installing pull-out cutting boards or adding extended countertops that can double as dining or workspaces. Utilizing vertical space with wall-mounted shelves or racks can also free up valuable counter real estate. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless flow where you have ample room to work, chop, and plate without feeling cramped. So, if you're dealing with a lack of counter space, stay tuned for more tips later in the video. The next mistake in our list is insufficient storage. Kitchens are not just about cooking. they're also about the storage of food and appliances. A poorly designed kitchen has less storage space, and this often leads to clutter. However small the kitchen is, it should have adequate inbuilt storage to help you store all your raw and cooked food, spices and condiments, appliances, etc. Poor kitchen triangle. The kitchen work triangle has three main points: the stove, the sink area, and the refrigerator. A good kitchen should have these three elements equidistantly placed as it contribute to better workflow and more convenience. Poor lighting choices. Now, let's shed some light on a critical aspect of kitchen design: lighting. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about functionality. Poor lighting choices can turn even the most beautiful kitchen into a gloomy space that's hard to work in. A well-lit kitchen is essential for safety, efficiency, and setting the right mood. Ambient, task, and accent lighting all play a crucial role. Let's take a closer look at some common mistakes and how to fix them. One common mistake is relying solely on overhead lighting. This can create harsh shadows and uneven illumination, making tasks like chopping and reading recipes difficult. To remedy this, consider layering different types of lighting. Combine ambient lighting for overall illumination, task lighting for specific work areas, and accent lighting to highlight key features or create a cozy atmosphere. This layered approach ensures a well-balanced and functional lighting scheme. Remember, lighting is like the jewelry of your kitchen. It adds that extra sparkle and completes the look. So, if you've been struggling with your kitchen's lighting, stay tuned for more tips on how to get it just right. The mistake number 5 is a bad ventilation. Smelly kitchen? That's a huge no. Poorly ventilated kitchens can stink up your entire home, and the smell of stale food isn't something you want wafting around your home. Ensure that your kitchen has proper ventilation. Good ventilation also helps to extend the life of your kitchen appliances and reduce indoor heat while cooking or during summer. No space for garbage. Kitchen waste needs to be disposed of properly. Dealing with garbage involves recycling and managing the trash properly. Ensure that your kitchen has adequate space to account for the trash. Budgetary issues. Kitchens can be expensive to remodel, mainly because you may need to fit new appliances and make your kitchen more modular or extract space from the limited space available. Typically, designers follow a rule of thumb where the kitchen design is at about 20% of your home's value. When designing a kitchen, ensure you have a proper budget in place and account for a reserve. Styling and color. Excited about a particular trending pattern, print, or color, and have you executed that into your kitchen style? What if that trend goes away soon? It'll be a mammoth task to remodel again. Stick to neutral shades when designing a kitchen. If you like colors and prints, use movable pieces like artwork. For homeowners looking to sell after a few years, neutrally colored kitchens allow for better sales than kitchens that look too trendy. Picking the wrong layout. As mentioned above, it's important to have a proper layout for your kitchen, which means ensuring the workspace or work triangle is also in place. The layout also helps you move around the kitchen comfortably and helps you reach each appliance or item easily. A poor layout will probably make you never want to enter the kitchen again. Blocking windows. Common kitchen design challenges include blocking windows or open spaces in their kitchens with storage or appliances. However, instead of blocking an open window, try to design around it. This will ensure proper lighting and ventilation as well. Single lighting. Poor lighting is one thing, single lighting is a different ballgame. Typically, kitchens have three kinds of lighting: general lighting, specific task lighting, such as lights above a stove, and accent lighting. You may also need lighting in your cupboards or storage areas to make the kitchen more functional to use. Dead corner spaces. Many corners within kitchens are inaccessible, however, they can be converted into functional and usable corners. Use carousel units, hidden spice racks, or revolving accessories in corners. This will also help you increase storage space. Lack of a pantry. Whether you regularly stock up on groceries and food items is inconsequential. Every kitchen should have a pantry. This makes it easier to access these items and helps you keep everything in one place. Poor or no chimney. Not having a chimney is a massive no for any kitchen. When designing your kitchen, remember that windows don't act as chimneys. It is essential to invest in a suitable chimney. Height. Ensure that your kitchen is designed in a way that meets your height requirements. It can be very uncomfortable if the shelves are too high and inaccessible. Kitchen island. Kitchen islands are great, but only when you have adequate space to account for them. Don't try to incorporate a kitchen island into the layout of your kitchen plan if it doesn't fit. Small appliances. If you have a small kitchen space and your need for kitchen appliances is minimal, try to opt for more portable and small appliances. This will help in using the space adequately. Ignoring energy efficiency. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect that often gets overlooked: energy efficiency in the kitchen. It's not just about saving the environment, but also about cutting down those hefty utility bills. Ignoring this can lead to a less sustainable and more costly kitchen in the long run. Investing in energy-efficient appliances and adopting sustainable practices can make a world of difference. From choosing appliances with high Energy Star ratings to implementing simple habits like using lids while cooking, every small step counts. Not only do these measures benefit the planet, but they also contribute to a more budget-friendly and eco-conscious household. So, don't overlook the power of an energy-efficient kitchen. Remember, creating an energy-efficient kitchen is a win-win for both your wallet and the environment. Proper gadgets. Gadgets and appliances are one area where one shouldn't cut back when it comes to their kitchen. Since you'll be using these appliances daily, it helps to have state-of-the-art products rather than invest in poor gadgets that will get ruined with constant usage. Ducting. Most modular kitchens have proper kitchen ducts or exhausts. If you don't, ensure that you install one. This helps to remove airborne byproducts like fumes, grease, smoke, etc. Well, that wraps it up, everyone. Today, we've really delved into the nitty-gritty of kitchen design, tackling those 20 everyday challenges and offering up some top-notch solutions. Whether it's the battle for counter space or getting the lighting just right, we've got your back. It's all about crafting a kitchen that's not only easy on the eyes, but also a total champ when it comes to suit your family's needs. Remember, a well-designed kitchen isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that enhances your daily life, making cooking and meal prep a breeze. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you're well on your way to achieving that dream kitchen you've always wanted. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. What are some challenges you've faced in your own kitchen design journey? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful home improvement content. Thank you all for joining us today. See you in the next video. Happy designing!